Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to solve the division problems by using remainder theorem. The question is, divide 3x square plus x cube plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1 using remainder theorem. Solution. By the definition of remainder theorem, given polynomial expression, that is nothing but dividend. Dividend is denoted as f of x. Divisor is here x plus 1. According to remainder theorem, divisor is denoted by g of x. One more example. In f of x, observe the powers of x here. 2, 3, 1. There is no order. So first you arrange in order. So write down given ones. F of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x equal to x plus 1. First we should equating g of x equal to 0. Now g of x equal to 0. That implies, what is g of x here? X plus 1 equal to 0. If you transferred plus 1 to the right hand side, then you get minus 1. That implies x would be minus 1. Now substitute obtained x value in f of x. So f of, on the x place you can write minus 1 equal to x cube minus 1 whole cube plus 3 times of x square. So x value minus 1 whole square plus 3 times of x. 3, x value is minus 1 plus 1. Now here minus 1 whole cube, that means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So final result is here minus 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 plus 3 times of minus 1 whole square gives plus 1. Plus into minus going to be minus. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 3 ones are 3 minus 3 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 going to be cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3 going to be cancelled. The final result is 0. In the left hand side, we have f of minus 1. So which is in the form of f of a equal to r. According to the remainder theorem. So what is the remainder here? 0. Therefore, remainder equal to 0. Actually, the same problem we did in previous videos, actual division method. Once you have to check the result there, we will get both results are same, but this is the easy way. Please have a look.